Okay, here are the girls. They are 7 weeks old, and they're really sweethearts.
Yeah. We got Pinky here. We got Greenie here. And this is Ellie. They're all fun. Very lovable. Look at that little belly. No biting, no biting. Yeah.
Oh, but they're all really sweet, calm girls.
They are.
No wild children.
You're so cuddly. Yeah, you're cuddly. Oh, thank you. Here we go run around some. Yeah.
What you hear? You might hear the boys. The boys are still in the pen.
No biting. Pinky. Come on. Good girl. Good girl, Ellie. Good girl. Oh, no biting. They're in a playful mood right now. They want to be playing with toys. Yeah. Look at that belly.
I should have handed you some toys.
Yeah.
Right now, you're the toy.
Pinky. Greenie, what you doing, sweetie? What you doing? Ellie. You're so happy right now. You're happy, huh? Are you happy?
All right, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.